BoodleBobs, don't forget to subscribe. Buongiorno Plebland. Welcome to Castello Roger. This is where the magic happens. I see you've been fighting to comment on the videos I have gifted to you. I don't really care. But the band, they come to me with tears streaming down their faces, wanting to thank my friends. TJ Rex, Down Under Adventures, ADE Kids, beautiful, bellissimo bambinos, Hang with Kia, Annette Caroline, the Nora Network, and the wonderful Taylor's Adventures. Now, I was out shopping for mirrors the other day. When I got back to the car, a lady had left me a note saying she thinks I'm fine. Talk about stating the obvious. Now, because you love me so much, I want to tell you a secret. Are you listening? Of course you are. Come closer. Closer. A little bit close. No, not too close. I'm writing a beautiful love song about someone very special. Very, very special. So special. Mucho bellissimo. Of course, it's about me. If you want to hear it when it is ready, you need to click on the button. This one. Yes, click the button. Click it, press it, push it. Press the button.